So this review is for the kindergarten. First is the places in the community. Number 1, church. Number 2, school. Number 3, market. Number 4, hospital. Number 5, park. Next is we go with our community helpers. Number 1, fireman. Number 2, teacher. Number 3, carpenter. Number 4, policeman. Number 5, nurse. Number 6, fisherman. Number 7, farmer. Number 8, chef. Number 9, dentist. Number 10, nun. 11, janitor. 12, doctor. Next is the in front of and behind. Number 1, the elephant is in front of the chair. Number 2, the cat is in front of the box. Number 3, Tommy is in front of the fan. Number 4, rabbit is behind the tree. Number 5, the boy is behind the books. And number 6, the girl is behind the chair. Next is the uses of capital. Number 1, she is crying. As you see, in the first word, the she, it begins with big letter S. Number 2, the fan was broken. So it begins with big letter T. Number 3, it is raining outside. So in number 3, it begins with capital I. Next is phrases and sentences. So for phrase, just remember that it doesn't have any full stop. And then it begins with small letter. Example, number 1, to the market. You see the letter T, it is small and no full stop. Number 2, no smoking. Small letter N. Number 3, your trash here. Next is sentence. Number 1, Faye buys a hot dog. So the letter F is big. Number 2, Ben is happy today. Big letter B, and it has full stop at the end of a sentence. And number 3, I am sick. Next is we go with words with opposite meaning. Number 1, dry, wet. So they are not the same. Number 2, far, near. Number 3, up, down. Number 4, strong, weak. Number 5, dark, bright. Number 6, black, white. 7, soft, hard. Next is synonyms. 1, pretty, beautiful. 2, fat, stout. 3, big, huge. Adjectives. Number 1, the boys play with a round ball. Adjective, round. Number 2, the girl has a long hair. Adjective, long. In, on, under. The bunny is in the hat. The puppy is in the box. The bunny is on the table. The dog is on the chair. The rat is under the table. The boy is under the bed. And that's the end for the English review.